Ever wondered what NFTs are and how they work? Let's dive in. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets, securely stored on a blockchain, much like cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yet, there's a twist. Unlike these digital currencies, NFTs are one of a kind. They can't be swapped on a like-for-like basis. This uniqueness is what sets them apart. In essence, NFTs transform digital works of art and other collectibles into one-of-a-kind, verifiable assets. Now that you know what NFTs are, you might be wondering, how do they work? Well, let's dive in. Each non-fungible token or NFT is unique because it contains specific information that distinguishes it from any other token. This set of data is what makes each NFT one of a kind, and it's stored in what's known as a smart contract on the blockchain. The smart contract is a crucial part of the NFT magic. It's like a digital blueprint that lays out the terms of the NFT's ownership. It certifies that the NFT is original, and it includes details like who created it, when it was created, and who owns it currently. Now let's talk about buying and selling these digital assets. NFTs are typically bought with Ethereum, a type of cryptocurrency. But why Ethereum? Well, it's because most NFTs are part of the Ethereum blockchain, which supports these smart contracts we just mentioned. But where do you buy them? There are numerous NFT-specific marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and NBA Top Shot, to name just a few. These platforms allow you to browse, bid on, and buy NFTs, all in a secure and transparent manner. And selling? Well, just as easily, you can list your NFTs on these marketplaces for others to buy. So when you buy an NFT, you gain the ownership of a unique piece of data on the blockchain. And that's the crux of how NFTs work.